Hello everyone. Today I will discuss with you chapter number 1 matter, and today's topic is states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. In this video I will explain you each state of matter and their properties in detail one by one. We can take so many examples from our surrounding for solid state, that is rocks, wood, brick, table, pen, pencil, etc. And if we talk about the solid state, what is that? Solid state are those which are rigid, hard. In the solid state, particles are closely packed, tightly packed. Particles of solid state have very little space, or we can say that there is almost negligible empty spaces between particles of solid. For this reason, the movement of particles of solid state restricted. They are not allowed to move freely here and there. Particles of solid state vibrate about their mean position only. Now some important properties of the solid state. Solids have definite shape and definite volume. They are rigid in nature, means they are hard. They do not flow like liquids. They have very high density. Density means that is a mass over volume. They are heavier. They have very high melting point and have high boiling points. This is because of there is no, or we can say that very limited empty spaces between the particles, that is interparticle space. If it is less, then there is strong intermolecular force of attraction. As force is greater, all the properties we discuss here, the melting point, the boiling point, they easily become higher. Liquid state, particles are loosely packed and they have more space as comparison to solid state. There are intermolecular forces among the particles of liquid state, and the intermolecular forces are weaker in nature. There is no strong intermolecular forces that hold the particles of liquid at their proper place. So there is a tendency for the movement. Particles of liquid state can move over a short distance as comparison to solid. Properties of liquid state are: first, don't have definite shape, means whatever the container, we have to keep the liquid, they attain the shape of the container. They have definite volume. They have to flow. They have low density. It means to say that they are lighter than the solid state. They have low boiling points. Liquids can slightly compress, means if we apply some force, they can compress. Next, gaseous state. Particles of gaseous state are placed at a larger distance. Particles of gaseous state have larger space between them. There is very low intermolecular force, or we can say that negligible intermolecular force of attraction among the particles of gases. They are free to move in any direction with very high speed as comparison to solid, as comparison to liquid. as comparison to these two states of matter. Now the properties. Gaseous state does not have a definite shape and definite volume. Particles of gas can flow easily. They are highly compressible. Gaseous states have very low density. It means to say that gases are lighter than solid as well as liquid.